how to check for water damage or liquid damage indicator for the Samsung Galaxy A15. So first we're going to remove the SIM tray. So on the top left here there is a SIM tray. Using the SIM pin, insert it into the SIM tray to pop it out. Then we pull out the SIM tray. In here you'll be able to detect if your device has got water damage or not. So I'm going to turn this one around. So it's very hard. There is a white stickers or a white water damage indicator in here. So you need to use your flashlight and then you need to pop it in the hole right here, and then using the flashlight we can locate that white sticker. Okay, so what you want to do is turn your phone upside down and have the hole right there. I'm gonna zoom it right in so you can see. Without using a flashlight, it is very hard to find it. So right there you can see there is a white stickers right there. It is located right just around here on the left. So I'm just gonna zoom it even right in so you can see it. So here I will move the flashlight up and down like that so that you can see the white sticker right there. So we can just about to see it. Now you can see it right there. It's very hard to see it. So you need to look at the right angle and you need to move your flashlight up and down, and there it is. You can see it's white. If it shows kind of pinkish or red, that means the sticker has been exposed to liquid such as water, Coke or whatever you're drinking, spill into the SIM tray. Then it will show water damage. So right there we can see that white part right there is the white sticker. If that sticker got exposed or in contact with liquid, it will turn pink or red depending on how much liquid has spilled into your device. So if your phone has been exposed to moisture such as in the bathroom, sometimes this also turns pinkish as well. And that's it. So you can see it's white right there at the corner, that corner right there in there. So here I will pop it right in, so you should be able to see it right here. So it's right in there, the white sticker. And here you can see it's white right there. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.